Every day, elevators carry millions of people up and down buildings safely and smoothly. But have you ever wondered how an elevator actually works? Let's take a look inside. At its simplest, an elevator is a moving room called the elevator car that travels inside a vertical shaft, stopping at different floors. An elevator system has 5 main parts: the elevator car, strong steel cables, a counterweight, an electric motor, and guide rails that keep everything aligned. The elevator car is not pushed from below. Instead, it is suspended by steel cables engineered to safely bear loads far exceeding the car's own weight. A counterweight is attached to the opposite end of the cables. It balances the elevator car, reducing the amount of energy the motor needs to move the elevator. When the motor turns the pulley, the cables move. If the motor turns one way, the car goes up. Turn the other way, and the car goes down. If an elevator moves too fast, safety brakes automatically lock onto the rails, preventing free fall. Modern elevators use sensors and control systems to open and close doors, stop at the correct floor, and prevent movement if something is blocking the doors. So, elevators use motors, cables, counterweights, and safety systems to move people safely every day. That's how elevators work.